Dennis Dorman, creator of the R scale and author of Calm in 90 Seconds. Let me show you how to use the R scale with your resets. For something important, even a small change is a win. If your number drops even 1 point, that's progress. It simply means you can run the reset again or try a different one. Sometimes stacking the resets, doing two back to back, is incredibly effective. The R scale itself was inspired by the pain scale you see at the doctor's office. But instead of measuring pain, we're measuring stress. So here's how to use it. Name the stressor. What exactly is bothering you? Give it a number, 0 to 10. There's no magic, it's just a starting point. Run a reset. Give it at least a minute, ideally 90 seconds. Take a breath and rate it again. What's the new number? Even a 1 point drop matters. From there, you can repeat the reset or switch to another one. I've seen clients go from a 7 to a 4, and a 4 to a 2, and then all the way to 0. And here's the key. You decide when you're good. Sometimes dropping a couple points is often more than enough. And that's how you use the R scale to reset and return to calm.